studied the activity tangram. Now next let us learn about 3D shapes. In previous class we studied 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes, that is nothing but the shapes which are drawn on a flat piece of paper is called two-dimensional shapes. Now three-dimensional shapes, the shapes which have length, breadth and height is called three-dimensional space. In 2D shapes we take square, then rectangle, yes, triangle, but in 3D shapes we take cube. We call cube. How to draw this cube now? Yes, first let me draw one square here, then again join the corners. This is cube. It has a length and breadth, height. Yes, it has a length, breadth and height. So it is three-dimensional shapes. Cube. Now cuboid. Cuboid. Cuboid in rectangular shape. Now join the corner. It is similar to cube. For cube we draw square and one more square and join these vertices or corners. Here it is cuboid, bricks like cube, box, square box you can see, and cuboid also, for example bricks, yes, and any box. I made here one box like this. Cuboid, it has length also, breadth also and height also it has. Then cuboid. Now next cone. In 2D shapes, triangle like this here. Cone, it has a surface. It is a circle shape here, surface. For cone, example birthday cap. Yes, I made here one like this. Yes, cone. So cube, cuboid, cone, these are 3D shapes. Now I told you cube, cuboid and cone. Now we will study faces, sides, yes, and its vertices. Now I will draw here one cuboid. This is cuboid, not cube. Yes. Now here, let me mention here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I named here. Now faces. This is what? Cuboid. How many faces does it have? Yes. Now look at this. Now faces here. I made one here box. Let cuboid. How many faces does it have? 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, then here many faces does it have now? 6 faces. Here one, this one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6. Yes, you can also make like this one cuboid and color here with different colors. Here one color and here one color, here one different color, here one color, here and one, here one. You can color it with different colors. You can easily find out how many faces it have. So here how many faces? 6 faces. Yes. Next, vertices. Vertices A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Faces. How to name these faces? Now, A, B, C, D is one face. A, B, C, D. Yes, this is one face. A, B, C, D is one face. Next, D, C, H, B. Yes, from this we will take A, B, C, D, one face. Yes, next upper side, or we can take back side, opposite of this. Yes, E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D is one face. E, F, G, H is one side. This is back side of this. Next, upper side and below side. A, E, F, B. A, E, F, B. Then A, E, F, B. Down side up. C, H, G, D or C, D, G, H. C, D, G, H. Now, side. Now, we written this space and opposite of this space here. Then, upper side, below side. Now, side we will take this one face and this one face. This B, F, G, D. Yes. B, F, G, D. Then opposite of this A, E, H, C or A, C, H, E. A, C, H, E. 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 faces. Then sides. Sides. A to B, one side. AB one side. BD. DC. CA. Then AE. EH. HC. Then CA already be written. Yes. EF we written? No. EF, FG, GD, yes, and GH. Then which one remain? AB, BD, DC, CA, EF, G, FG, G, H, EH we written, GD. Yes. And one more, HC we already written. These are the sides. Yes, we can write like this. So, how to write faces, vertices and sides. Now, we'll take things. As you know, now let us take now one example. Now, how to mention. Now, let me take one anything. I will take biscuit. Crack check. Biscuit. Which shape it is? Square shape. Yes. From given shape, you have to mention now how many sides does it have, how many diagonals we can draw, and how many vertices does it have. Yes. We have to find vertices, then sides, diagonals. Name the vertices, sides and diagonals. How you will write? So, solution. Let me name it as A, B, C, D. Yes. So, first vertices. How many vertices? 4 vertices. Vertices are 4. Which are they? Name them. So, A, B, C, D. Sides. AB, one side. Then BC. Then CD. CD, DA. DA. 4 sides. Can we draw diagonals? Yes, of course. Square. Opposite of this vertex, this one. AC. As I told you to fold the paper. While folding the paper, vertex meet there. So, 4 sides. Now, diagonals. A, C is one diagonal. Then, B, D. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Yes. Now, let me take one more. As I told you in last class, now this is a TV screen now. Yes. This is a TV now. How many sides does it have? How many vertex? And can we draw diagonals? Yes. Then also you have to write same thing. Yes. Suppose if they ask from B, can we draw diagonal? Means we have to mention only B, C here. Yes. Name the diagonal from B means you can show only from B to D. Name the diagonal from B means you have to draw only B to D. Name the diagonal from A means you have to draw only A to C. If they asked only diagonals means you have to mention both BD and AC. Now this one. Yes, how many vertices does it have? 4. X, W, X, Y, Z. 4 vertices. Here also we can draw diagonals. Yes, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z are vertices. W, X one side, X, Y one side, Y, Z, Z, W. These are the sides. 4 sides. And diagonals X, Z, W, Y. One more interesting here. Let me draw this one shape like this. Yes. Now I will write here A, B, C, D and E. How many vertices does it have? 4. 5. 5 vertices. A, B, C, D, E. Yes. Vertices are 5 vertices. Yes. Sides A to E one side, E to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. That is AE, EB, BC, CD, DA. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Yes, now it has 5 vertices and 5 sides. Now how to draw diagonal? We know that opposite sides meet. A to C, one diagonal. Then B to D. Yes, we can join here also. Yes, this is also opposite vertices. A to B. It is not a side because inside the shapes, a straight line inside the shape is diagonal. So this is also diagonal, not a side. You must not say AB is one side. No, because it is inside the figure. So it is diagonal AB. Now diagonals AC, BD, AB are the diagonals. From this also we can draw. Yes. From E to D we can draw. Yes. E to D. One diagonal. Then E to C. Yes. Star shape. You will get star shape. Let me write these diagonals. Diagonals AB, then BD, then A to C, AC, yes, AC, BD, AB, then from E to D, ED, EC. How many diagonals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many diagonals? 5 diagonals. Yes, I will send you image of this and you have to draw in your notes. Yes, this is about the shapes. Now I will give you homework and you have to send to my personal number homework and you have to write neatly, and in next class I will conduct class test. No one should miss the class. Yes. Now this is all about the shapes. Now in shapes, what we studied first, slant lines. About lines, slant lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, then curve, then opened and closed figure, then two-dimensional shapes. Yes, and naming the shapes, finding vertices, side, diagonals, and the activity diagram. Then 3D shapes. Yes, lines we studied, slant lines and vertical lines, horizontal lines, curved, opened and closed figure we studied, 2D shapes. Yes, and also finding vertices, how to find vertex, sides and diagonals diagram. With the help of piece of papers we can make any objects. Yes, and I will tell how to do as I showed you. Then three-dimensional shapes, cube, cuboid and cone. Like these are three-dimensional shapes. The shapes which have length, breadth and height is three-dimensional shapes. Yes, and also I gave you some more examples. So no one should miss the class. In next class I will conduct class tests at that time only, and I will give questions. I will give time also. At that time only you have to write answers. Yes, in next class be ready to attend the test and no one miss.